Hello and welcome to the unit tutorial for Geography Year 2, Unit 1, Planet Earth, and this is video part 1. This video will walk you through the following areas: what resources are available and how to access them, the unit's disciplinary and substantive concepts, the unit's inquiry question, and the unit's sequence of learning. The resources available on Oxford OWL: the Geography Progression document, the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, the Unit Planning Guidance, PowerPoint slides for every lesson, the Pupil Workbook and the eBook Workbook, additional resources that go alongside some lessons, Pupil Knowledge Guide, Knowledge Quiz Booklet, posters and Discovery Box cards. To access the resources in Oxford OWL, you'll need to log in, click on Subscriptions, select the year group and subject, in this case Year 1 and 2 Geography, scroll down to View the available resources, select the year group from the drop-down option, select the unit from the drop-down option, and download the resources for each lesson. Although the unit will touch on all the disciplinary concepts in geography and all the substantive concepts in geography, here is an overview of the main concepts of the entire unit. You can find more information in the progression document for geography and the unit planning guidance. The main prior and future learning links that we have identified is Year 1, our local area, and Year 1, the United Kingdom, Year 3, settlements and land use, and Year 4, Amazon, rivers and rainforests. You can find more information on the prior and future learning links in the unit planning guidance and geography progression document. Every geography unit has an inquiry question which the learning is centred around and is answered at the very end of the unit. The inquiry question for this unit is: can you describe the 7 continents and 5 oceans that make up planet Earth? And the main disciplinary focus is DC1, the physical world. This is the lesson sequence for this unit. There are 10 lessons in total, and each lesson is approximately 2 hours each, except for lesson 10, which is about 1 hour to make space for teaching and responding to the inquiry question. This unit spans the entire term. Each lesson question drives the learning for that lesson, and pupils should be able to answer the lesson question based on their new learning at the end of the lesson. To support this new learning, at the start of each lesson, pupils complete a knowledge quiz based entirely on the previous lesson's learning. This allows opportunities for teachers to check for understanding and address any misconceptions before moving forward. To prepare to teach a unit, we recommend you read through the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, read through the unit planning guidance to be aware of any upcoming trip suggestions or activities that need resources, and use a copy of the Pupil Workbook to complete the activities yourself. We'd recommend using a Pupil Workbook as a teacher copy to do this. We provide answers for each activity, but working through the activities yourself will allow you to put yourself in your pupil's shoes, as well as starting the process of working out what adaptations may need to be made. Before you start video part 2, take some time to complete your exemplars for each of the lesson activities, and we'll see you back for part 2, where we'll look at adaptations and key moments within the unit to prepare for.